Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss on social intelligence and emotional intelligence. Social intelligence is a concept introduced by Edward Thorndike in 1920. He described it as the ability to manage men, women, boys, and girls and act wisely in human relationships. Social intelligence is the capacity to understand and interact effectively with others. It involves learning from experiences in social settings and applying that knowledge to navigate interpersonal relationships successfully. Thorndike's early work on social intelligence was foundational. He argued that just as people differ in their mechanical or verbal abilities, they also differ in their ability to manage and understand social relationships. Key elements of social intelligence. Social intelligence consists of several key elements which contribute to successful social interactions. 1. Verbal fluency and conversational skills. The ability to articulate thoughts clearly is crucial. A study by Riggio, 1986, showed that individuals with higher verbal fluency are more likely to succeed in social situations because they can communicate their thoughts and emotions more effectively. 2. Effective listening skills. According to research by Brownell, 2012, effective listening involves not just hearing words but also interpreting the underlying emotions and intentions, which enhances social interactions and relationships. 3. Knowledge of roles, rules, and scripts. Understanding the unspoken rules of social settings allows individuals to navigate complex interactions. Goffman's 1959 work on social roles highlights how people's understanding of social scripts can affect their behavior in different settings. 4. Social self-efficacy. Bandura, 1997, emphasized that social self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to influence social situations, plays a critical role in how people interact with others. 5. Impression management skills. Leary and Kowalski, 1990, explored how individuals manage their impressions in social settings to present themselves favorably, which is a key aspect of social intelligence. Behaviors exhibited by socially intelligent individuals. 1. Seeing problems as growth opportunities. Socially intelligent individuals view challenges as opportunities for growth. Dweck's 2006 research on the growth mindset supports the idea that seeing challenges as learning opportunities can lead to better outcomes in social situations. 2. Responding rather than reacting. According to Goldman, 1995, socially intelligent people take a measured approach to problems, considering the best course of action rather than reacting impulsively. This ability to self-regulate emotions is crucial in managing social interactions. 3. Recognizing mistakes and accepting responsibility. In a study by Weiner, 1985, accepting responsibility for one's actions was shown to improve interpersonal relationships as it fosters trust and accountability. 4. Avoiding all-or-nothing thinking. Socially intelligent individuals avoid extreme generalizations. Beck, 1967, noted that all-or-nothing thinking is a cognitive distortion that can lead to conflicts in relationships. 5. Validating others' feelings. Research by Rogers, 1957, on unconditional positive regard demonstrates that validating others' feelings is essential in building strong, empathetic relationships. Introduction to Emotional Intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, refers to the ability of individuals to recognize, understand, and manage their own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Salovey and Mayer, 1990, were the first to formally define emotional intelligence, describing it as the capacity to reason about emotions and use emotions to enhance reasoning. Emotional intelligence involves perceiving emotions accurately, understanding emotional meanings, and managing emotions to achieve specific goals. In the Indian context, emotional intelligence is deeply intertwined with cultural and religious beliefs, which often play a significant role in mental health. The components of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence can be broken down into the following components. 1. Perceiving emotions. Ekman's 1992 research on facial expressions showed that accurately perceiving emotions in others is the first step in emotional intelligence. 2. Understanding emotions. Plutchik's 1980 model of emotions emphasizes understanding the complex interactions between different emotions, which is crucial for managing emotional responses. 3. Managing emotions. Gross and John, 2003, found that effective emotion regulation is associated with better mental health and interpersonal relationships. Models of emotional intelligence. There are three primary models of emotional intelligence. 1. Ability model, Mayer and Salovey, 1997. This model views emotional intelligence as a set of skills related to the processing of emotional information, including perceiving, using, understanding, and managing emotions. 2. Mixed model, Daniel Goleman, 1995. Goleman's model combines emotional intelligence with personality traits like self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. 3. Trait model, Petrides, 2001. This model views emotional intelligence as a collection of emotional self-perceptions located at the lower levels of personality hierarchies. Scientific studies on emotional intelligence. 1. The Marshmallow Experiment, Mischel, 1970. This famous study on delayed gratification demonstrated the importance of self-control, a key component of emotional intelligence. Children who were able to delay gratification were found to have better life outcomes, highlighting the role of emotional regulation in long-term success. 2. Goleman's research on EI in the workplace, 1995. Goleman's work showed that emotional intelligence is a critical factor in workplace success, often more important than technical skills or IQ. Conclusion. Both social and emotional intelligence are crucial for navigating life successfully. Social intelligence helps us manage relationships and social situations, while emotional intelligence allows us to manage our emotions and understand the emotions of others. Together, these forms of intelligence contribute to overall psychological well-being and effectiveness in both personal and professional spheres. By developing social and emotional intelligence, individuals can enhance their interpersonal skills, make better decisions, and foster a positive environment for themselves and those around them. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.